looking to work in the hospitality industry. These companies are looking for dedicated cleaners to join their team in Norway. With its stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and high standard of living, Norway offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals seeking employment in the housekeeping sector. In this video, we will explore why housekeeping jobs in Norway are in high demand, the qualifications and skills required, and how to find these opportunities. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you. Housekeeping jobs in Norway provide individuals with a unique experience of working in a thriving industry while immersing themselves in the country's enchanting landscapes and vibrant culture. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, Norway offers various positions in hotels, resorts, tourist cabins, and private households. Job duties. Housekeeping jobs in Norway involve a range of responsibilities to maintain a clean and comfortable environment. Let's look at some of the key duties. 1. Cleaning and sanitizing. Housekeepers are responsible for cleaning and sanitizing various areas such as bedrooms, restrooms, common areas, and kitchens. This includes dusting, vacuuming, mopping floors, and disinfecting surfaces to ensure a hygienic living space for residents or guests. 2. Bed and linen care. Another essential task of a housekeeper is to change and clean bed linens regularly. This includes washing, ironing, and making beds to provide fresh and comfortable sleeping arrangements for occupants. 3. Waste management. Proper waste management is crucial in maintaining cleanliness. Housekeepers ensure garbage bins are emptied regularly, and waste is disposed of correctly. Separating recyclable items from general waste is also an important part of the job. 4. Stocking and inventory control. Housekeepers often manage inventories for cleaning supplies, toiletries, and other essential items. They maintain stock levels, place orders when necessary, and ensure that all necessary items are readily available for use. 5. Collaboration with other departments. Housekeeping professionals work closely with other departments such as maintenance, front desk, and management. Effective communication and coordination are essential to provide the best possible service to residents or guests. Job requirements. To excel in housekeeping jobs in Norway, certain qualifications and skills are typically required. Let's explore some of the common job requirements. 1. Attention to detail. Attention to detail is paramount in a housekeeping role. Spotting dust, stains, and other areas that require cleaning is essential for maintaining high cleanliness standards. 2. Physical stamina. Housekeeping jobs can be physically demanding, requiring long hours of standing, bending, and lifting. Good physical stamina is important to perform tasks effectively and efficiently. 3. Time management skills. Housekeepers often have multiple tasks to accomplish within a given time frame. Effective time management skills are necessary to ensure all duties are completed in a timely manner without compromising quality. 4. Communication skills. Excellent communication skills are essential for housekeeping professionals to collaborate effectively with team members and report any issues or requirements to supervisors. 5. Knowledge of cleaning techniques and products. A solid understanding of different cleaning techniques, materials, and products is important to ensure effective cleaning and to protect surfaces from damage. The benefits of working as a housekeeper in Norway. While housekeeping jobs may initially be perceived as low-level positions, they present numerous advantages, particularly in a country like Norway. Here are some benefits of working as a housekeeper in Norway. 1. Competitive compensation. Housekeeping jobs in Norway offer competitive salaries, ensuring a decent standard of living. Additionally, employees may receive benefits such as paid vacation, sick leave, and health insurance. 2. Work-life balance. Norway is known for its emphasis on work-life balance. Housekeeping roles often follow regular working hours, allowing individuals to enjoy their leisure time and explore the country's natural wonders. 3. Cultural immersion. Working in the hospitality industry provides a unique opportunity to interact with individuals from diverse backgrounds. As a housekeeper in Norway, you can engage with guests from around the world, enriching your cultural knowledge and expanding your horizons. 4. Career growth and development. Housekeeping roles can serve as a stepping stone to further opportunities within the hospitality industry. With experience and a strong work ethic, you can progress to supervisory or managerial positions, offering greater responsibility and higher income. Qualifications. To embark on a successful career in housekeeping in Norway, it is essential to possess certain qualifications and skills. While there are no specific educational requirements, having a high school diploma or equivalent is advantageous. How to find housekeeping jobs in Norway. Now that you understand the significance of housekeeping jobs in Norway and the skills required, the next step is finding opportunities that match your interests. Here are some effective ways to explore potential job openings. Online job portals. Utilize popular job portals such as Indeed and Glassdoor. These platforms provide comprehensive listings and allow you to filter job searches specifically for housekeeping roles in Norway. There are links in the description below. Networking. Tap into your professional and personal networks to get leads on housekeeping positions. Connect with individuals already working in the hospitality industry. Contact hotels and resorts. Research hotels and resorts in Norway and directly contact their human resources departments. Inquire about any available housekeeping vacancies and express your interest and enthusiasm for joining their team. Consult recruitment agencies. Seek assistance from reputable recruitment agencies specializing in the hospitality industry. These agencies have extensive networks and can offer guidance throughout the job search process. Good luck!